Hello, everyone. My name is Josefina Garbe, and this is my crisis scenario for week one of MPA 520. I chose prison riots as my crisis scenario because I do work in a prison, and often it requires leadership from not only the warden of the institution, but our CEO, who is like the warden of healthcare side of the institution. This impacts every prison within California. There are 35 institutions in California with a population of 114,000 inmates, approximately, which puts us at a population of 124%. So we are overpopulated. So if there are ever riots that break out in the institutions, it could be deadly not only for the inmates but the staff that work there as well. For example, in August of 2009, there were riots, a riot that broke out at the California Institution for Men, which is a prison located in Chino, California. The prison houses around an estimated 3,000 inmates, give or take. It's said that the riots broke out due to gang rivalry, but some of the inmates would say it was due to the mistreatment that they were experiencing at the institution. The riot lasted about 11 hours. 250 inmates were hurt and 55 of them were hospitalized. The inmates fought each other, they fought custody staff, and they started fires within their housing buildings, which in Chino they have dorm settings, so they have a lot of bunks. Two of the housing buildings were completely destroyed after those riots, which caused more impact to the inmates because now they had to be housed in a more crowded bunking areas. Each of the dorms were at double capacity, which left about 1,300 inmates without bunking space after these riots occurred. Due to these riots, it impacted the custody staff. Not only could the inmates get hurt themselves, but the custody staff who have to detain the inmates can also be hurt in the process. The healthcare staff that are on grounds at the institution also respond to riots. They have to care for the inmates who are in need of it, so they can also get hurt in the process. And due to the riots, they can work long shifts trying to recover from these riots. Also, the government plays a part when riots occur. After the Chino riots, the governor at the time, Arnold Schwarzenegger, did visit the institution to try to make sense of it all. So all these people play a factor in these crises and require leadership roles in order to intervene or for future prevention of riots. It has been a while since there have been a big riot. Riots can take minutes, they can be hours long. It just all depends on the institution, how well leadership has a process in place to respond, and so forth.